I check it like you read Singh spelling it, yeah? I really don't mind.
You hit me once, I hit you back.
He's bowling like my Auntie Annie when she'd had too much sherry to drink.
Played over my head, then I set fire.
मैंने कहा बेटा बेटा होता है और बाप बाप होता है.
Hello and welcome to Pie Checkers Cricket Podcast. Today we are going to review the matches between Delhi Capitals versus Mumbai Indians and Royal Challengers Bangalore versus Sunrisers Hyderabad. After that, we are going to predict the outcome for the last 4 league matches, and after that, the top 4 finalists or for the playoffs according to Pie Checkers. But before that, we are going to discuss the match between Delhi Capitals and Mumbai Indians. And शिवम भाटिया, हमारे दिल्ली के लौंडे लगता है ऐसा अपना रास्ते से भटक गए हैं. क्या हो रहा है?
ऐसे वो खो गए हैं, किसी जंगल में निकल गए नोएडा की तरफ. उनको समझ नहीं आ रहा करे क्या. पृथ्वी शॉ को वापस लाए, वही यूजुअल सब कुछ वही. धवन 200 के बाद डक बना रहा है, किसी से रन ही नहीं बन रहे हैं. आई थिंक ये था विकेट 140-45 का, वो 180 पे चले गए. एंड कुछ समझ नहीं आया उनको करें क्या. एंड मुंबई यार अच्छी टीम है. आई मीन हार्दिक को रेस्ट करा के उनको फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है. रोहित खेल नहीं रहा है, उनको फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है. मेरे को लग रहा है रोहित वापस आएगा तो रोहित को 4 पे खेलना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि सूर्या, ईशान और डीकॉक बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं. तो दिल्ली की पटरी से ट्रेन थोड़ी नहीं काफी उतर चुकी है. लास्ट 3-4 लॉसेस बड़े होते जा रहे हैं, मार्जिन बढ़ता जा रहा है. तो दिल्ली के लिए डेफिनेटली सीरियस अलार्म बेल्स. मुंबई टॉप 2 कंफर्म हो गई है, इनफैक्ट टॉप पोजीशन कंफर्म हो गई है. सुमेर, सेकंड मैच में क्या हुआ? सनराइजर्स आरसीबी.
I think Sandeep Sharma, I want to talk about him first. Sandeep Sharma has actually been doing okay. He started off with, usually he used to take it away for the left-hander, so he got him bowled, and then he took Virat Kohli's wicket. From there on, I think it was a struggle. ABD played a bad shot, a rash shot. So did Philip. He was not able to read, Rashid. Overall, I think as far as bowling is doing well, and that's where they win the match. Although they tried their best to collapse, but ultimately came through.
I think you're undermining the role of Dew over here as well. So I think Dew played a big part. So now after that quick, fiery, rapid reaction from us, we're going to move into the predictions for the last 4 games, and I will start with the predictions. For me, Chennai Super Kings versus Kings 11 Punjab. I think CSK is going to win that match, and this is based on the fact that CSK has nothing to lose, and Kings 11 has been performing well. When they said they had nothing to lose, the only thing they had to do was to win. Now with the pressure of winning and getting into the top 4, I think they will play under pressure, and CSK is going to win tomorrow's match. After that, we have Kolkata Knight Riders versus Rajasthan Royals. I think Kolkata Knight Riders last game है, अभी तक इन लोगों को अपना ऑर्डर ही नहीं पता है कि कौन कहाँ बैटिंग करेगा. फ्री स्पिरिट है, मतलब वो उन लोगों ने अपने आप को एक फ्री स्पिरिट दे दिया है. लास्ट टाइम बाज वाज सेइंग, आई थिंक इतना फ्री हो गए कि कोई कहीं भी जाके बैटिंग कर रहा है. एंड राजस्थान रॉयल्स, आई फील नाउ is settled, even though it has been on the last 2-3 matches. I think they know what is the optimal utilization of their foreign players, Stokes, Butler and Smith. So for me, tomorrow Rajasthan Royals is going to win, and after that we have Delhi Capitals versus Royal Challengers Bangalore. I think that is a tough one. For me, if I look at it, I think at the start of the tournament I had said RCB as a buy and DC as a sell, but I feel DC ki bowling has not showed up in the last 2-3 games. Rabada has been off color, and because of I think that has played a big part in DC losing those matches. I think King Rabada is going to turn up versus RCB. He has that slight needle with Virat as well, so I think he has some stakes in that. I think Delhi Capitals is going to win against RCB, and Sunrisers Hyderabad versus Mumbai Indians. Oh man, आपने सुना ही है शिवम भाटिया की, पांड्या को नहीं खिलाया, रोहित को नहीं खिलाया, तब भी they are just winning. They are thrashing the teams, yaar. Just keeping that, I think Mumbai Indians is going to win versus Sunrisers Hyderabad, and all these matches are underlined by, I think, due as well. So based on all these predictions, for me, the top 4 is Mumbai Indians, Delhi Capitals, RCB, and last is going to be Rajasthan Royals. I am surprised. So Shivam Bhatia, what's your take? What is your predictions and top 4 finalists?
मेरे हिसाब से CSK वर्सेस किंग्स इज गोना हैपन एट अबू धाबी, जो मेरे हिसाब से हाई स्कोरिंग गेम होगा, एंड किंग्स विल थ्रैश CSK. So Kings is gonna win tomorrow's first game. So they're gonna be sure of qualification then, because Delhi और RCB दोनों का run rate उनसे नीचे है. So Kings will be through. Then comes tomorrow night's game. So Kings जीतेगा तो KKR और RR would be kind of knocked out. उनका run rate बहुत खराब है. So second game doesn't matter, but still, since I have to call it, KKR versus RR, I again am going the opposite direction. It's in Dubai. मेरे हिसाब से टर्न होगा, असिस्टेंस मिलेगा स्पिनर्स को. KKR के पास बेटर स्पिनर है आई थिंक, एंड लॉन्ग टाइम दे केम गुड. मुझे लगता है दे विल कम गुड. Both teams would wanna win big so that net run rate improve हो. I think RR will falter. उनका bowling attack बस जोफ्रा है. So KKR wins that. Then comes DC versus RCB. Whoever wins goes to second for sure as they move to 16. So DC RCB, यार, you know what? I am confused अभी तुम्हारे arguments सुन के, King Rabada and all. But I feel Abu Dhabi में है again. It may be a high scoring game. I think RCB कर ले जाएगी. वो चहल वहल का फैक्टर है. ABD विराट भरे होंगे. I think कर ले जाएगी. So RCB wins for me. And last game again, I'm going with you for a change. MI wins. SRH I think will go out because of that loss. शारजा में है. If the wicket is slow, but then ground छोटा है यार. MI के लोग ना कैसी भी ground पे I think मैच में 9 छक्के 10 छक्के मार देंगे. सो शारजा में तो वो SRH हार जाएगी. तो MI विंस. तो मेरे कैलकुलेशन के हिसाब से MI फर्स्ट है. RCB जीतेगी दिल्ली से तो RCB सेकंड आएगी. किंग्स 11 कल जीत के थर्ड हो जाएगी. दिल्ली कैपिटल्स हारेगी लेकिन SRH भी हारेगी, और रन रेट ठीक बहुत बुरा नहीं है, बुरा है, बट दिल्ली. सो माय इज MI, RCB, किंग्स एंड दिल्ली टू क्वालिफाई.
Interesting.
Very interesting. Well, that leaves us to me. I think the way Shivam explained, a lot of what he's thinking is again what I think as well. So the first game tomorrow, which is Kings 11 versus CSK, I think Kings 11 will win this. I would have backed CSK had it been a different CSK, but I think with the conditions there, I think Abu Dhabi will feature more runs, and Kings have more firepower, so they will go through for tomorrow's first game. The second game, RR and KKR. I think it's going to be a close game in Dubai. But I think Shivam, Rajasthan Royals will win this one. KKR seem to be so out of sorts. Rajasthan Royals has two important players that I think, and now with Smith as well coming back to form, and Butler, I think will go through. Although a close game, but they will go through. Not a lot of difference will be there in the net run rate. That will be important because none of these two guys I think will go to the top 4. Then the third game on Monday, which is RCB and Delhi. I think RCB will win this one. Delhi again, I think were thrashed today. I'm not sure. I think they have too many moving pieces now. And although RCB also has lost today, but I would back them to win in Abu Dhabi because it's a supposedly will be a high scoring game. They have ABD and Kohli has not done much. Padikkal again, we've seen how in every alternate game he comes back. So I would push them to win this one. And the last game, although inconsequential, I would go ahead with Mumbai Indians to win that one. Whatever you do, I don't think Mumbai Indians will be able to lose to SRH, even though they've done relatively better today. So that brings me to the final counts for deciding who to take forward in top 4. So Mumbai obviously will be number 1. RCB and Delhi, because RCB I predicted will win. So number 2 will be RCB. Delhi will still qualify because they have points on the table, and as I said, the games will not be so far apart between them as well. So they will sort of retain the run rate and go through as number 3. And Kings with 2 points tomorrow will be the number 4th team. So for me, it's Mumbai, RCB, DC, and Kings 11.
तो सुमेर तुम्हारे और मेरे सेम है 4, just the
But the Kings and KKR and Rajasthan Royals game, I think will be different according to me. But yeah, we'll see.
So am I RCB, Kings and DC for both of us? खरे के लिए है.
And the change for me is Rajasthan Royals, RR. So
you think DC wins,
that
right?
Happen
DC
for that
wins, right?
And I feel DC wins, yes. And I feel DC wins.
Yeah. Okay. So basically, you are letting go RCB then.
No, I have RCB.
So you are backing.
He's letting go
Rajasthan.
Kings. CSK wins, na?
Yeah.
He's
I'm betting.
That would mean one more thing, Vivek. Rajasthan Royals have to win by a fair margin.
No. They just have to win then. If Kings loses tomorrow.
Okay. CSK has to win then. Okay.
Yes, they get on. Rajasthan is on 14 then.
Oh, now I understand. There are so many permutations.
So basically, कल पहला गेम हम लोग का तीनों का prediction काफी decide कर देगा.
Actually, in one way or another.
Yeah.
So it's going to be interesting. So you guys have heard us on our predictions. What are your thoughts? Let us know. Do you think RR is going to win, or do you think Kings 11 is almost there? Do let us know. I hope you liked our quick rapid reaction videos on the post-match review and our predictions. Do let us know if you like it, if you agree with it, if you don't like it. We'll wait to hear from you on all our social media handles. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Thank you.